Is your Ford F-150 key fob not working? The most likely cause is a dead battery. This video will guide you through replacing it yourself, saving you time and money. For 2015-2023 F-150 models, the key fob uses a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or similar tool. First, locate the small indentation or release button on the side of your key fob. Use your tool to gently pry open the case. Be careful not to apply too much force, especially if the case is stuck. Once open, remove the old battery, noting which side is up, positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the buttons to confirm the new battery is working.